guys, up next we have Aloha Shell Jewelry. And let's see here. We have got, uh, let's check it out. So again, I personally recommend doing a personal photo in your personal name. But of course, that is your choice. But right now, the colors, the looks, really nice. Let's check this one out here. Gold heirloom bangle, gold pattern bangle, 4mm gold filled bangle, gold vine bangle, gold bangle. So great keywords. Let's check this one out. Gold heirloom bangle. So honestly, I would have thought this would have had a little bit more opportunity. 693 results is smaller than I would have thought. Gold heirloom bangle. So let's try gold pattern bangle. You know, is that a pearl? The gold pattern bangle actually has a little bit more searches. So let's see. It looks like a pearl, doesn't it? Aloha Shell Jewelry. Oh, man. It is a pearl. Ah, look at this. Tahitian pearl, Edison pearl. Okay, so beautiful product. I love this product. Super pretty, super cute. Now, a few things that you've got to make clear is I don't know which one's the Tahitian pearl and I don't know which one's the Edison pearl. All I know is that the Tahitian pearl costs 140, the Edison pearl costs 130. No pearl costs 90. That's all I know. So you gotta dumb it down for us, right? Now, you gotta take into consideration. Not everybody's gonna know the difference between a Tahitian pearl and an Edison pearl. You need to also consider that there's gonna be a lot of men that might buy this for right here. You got it, a Valentine's Day gift jewelry, and I can assure you, most of the men are not gonna know the difference between a Tahitian pearl and an Edison pearl. All right. Aloha, it's a Tahitian pearl. Okay. So what I would recommend you do very simply is you can set up your images and your photos to be linked together. So let me show you what I mean. So what I mean is when somebody clicks the Tahitian pearl, all of a sudden the Tahitian pearl image shows. And then let's say they click the Edison pearl, the Edison pearl image shows. And we have a video that will show you how to do that. And it's really cool. You can actually connect the drop down to the photo. And that is called the Etsy Image Variation Selection Guide. I always love calling out the name on that one because it's very long and very cool. So I'd recommend setting that up on all of your products that have stuff like this. But I would also just recommend putting a label on the photo. Edison pearl. And then on the other one, Tahitian pearl. You know, I think I have them backwards, but whichever it is, put a label on there to kind of show it off and make it really clear. Now, another thing, I don't see a photo of the bangle with nothing on it. So, since you offer that as one of the major options, I think it would be really important for you to show. You could even take all three of those photos and put them into it together. So you could have basically 3 columns wide, and it would be, you know, you'd have your Tahitian pearl, the Edison pearl, and then nothing, you know, no pearl at all. And I think that would be really good to have. That way everybody can get a very clear idea of which one's which, and there's no question. You could have the labels on the image, but you could show all 3 off, and that'd be really, really nice to have as well. There is a photo. So if this is the one you're talking about with all of the selections, I see what you mean, but it still doesn't tell me which one's which. I still don't really know what's what. And also, it's nice that you show off all the different things, but it's also a little dangerous too, because I don't see like where to get this product or this product or this product. On images like this, I would put a label on it that says, check out my shop to see all of my other bangles and, you know, all the other stuff that we have. Because right now, you know, you're teasing me, right? you're showing me all this great stuff, but I don't know how to get access to it. So on something like this, I would put a label, check out my shop to see the rest of my great products, and to see other stuff that compare well with this product here. And all right, let's see here. 4mm, 14 karat gold vine pattern gold to pair with other bracelets. Pearls will be at least 10 millimeters. There we go. So now you've got some links to the other ones. Also, these listing links, you can shorten them way down. They don't have to be so long. So you only need to have them. Like if we're looking at this link right here, I think all you've got to have is to the end of that first ID. So you could go Etsy.com. I think you made even shorter than that. Yeah, you can shorten it down to just the end of this long string of numbers. So all that other stuff can just get cut off. So that will just make it a little bit shorter there. It'll be basically like 2 lines instead of the 6 that you have going on, or 5 or 6. Custom designs. All in all, I like this product a lot. It's really pretty. So those are my suggestions for, I think you should make it more clear how they can get your other products. You should make it more clear the difference between the Tahitian pearl, Edison pearl, and no pearl. And then the last thing I'd recommend is the keyword itself. Gold heirloom bangle, gold pattern bangle. Let's check that one out. Gold pattern bangle is a stronger keyword, has 3,000 results. Now I would also try gold pearl bangle. Let's see, what do we get there? There we go. That is a really good keyword for you. 9,783 results. So I think I would make that my first keyword on that listing would be, gold pearl bangle, because it's a much stronger keyword and there's a lot more searches for it. 9,783.